Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna go get Krusty. The last video we dropped him off at the dyno, and I was really hoping to get it back and make a whole video out of it, but it broke on the dyno, and I didn't find out about it until later on. But it didn't even make a full pull and it broke, so we ain't got any numbers or nothing. We're gonna have to fix it and take it back. But in this video, we're gonna go pick it up and check it out, see what all's broke on it.
Alright, you got it so far. Damn, it's cool. Alright, you got it. Yeah.
Alright, back her on in. No!
Alright guys, this is what we got. That's the dry shaft. Twisted up like a pretzel. And it broke the pinion on the rear end. We got the exhaust right there. Luckily it didn't hit none of the fuel lines or anything. And it also broke the cow track bar. I kind of got mixed feelings about it. You know, it kind of sucks, and I really hate that it happened, but it's probably a good thing that it did happen at the dyno and not going down the road or down the track, because you know, could have hurt myself or somebody else. So. Alright guys, as you see, the dry shaft was mangled up pretty good. And what happened, what they said happened, is the front U-joint on the dry shaft, the ears off the dry shaft broke. And then I guess this dry shaft, just by looking at it, went over top of the exhaust, got in the bind, and broke that. And it somehow broke the traction bar. I'm not real sure how it done that, but it wasn't held on by very many threads, so I guess it just pulled the threads out of it. Maybe this thing done a real tight spring wrap and pulled it out. But I'm thinking it didn't have enough threads because of the weight of the bed isn't on it. So we're going to try to bring the bed over here and set it on there and see if that makes a difference with these rods. Here's the bed full of junk. I guess we need to get all this junk out of here. And then maybe we can pull it around here on the trailer. Alright guys, we're gonna try to pull this thing around here. We're gonna try to pull it with just our arms, our bare arms. Alright, there's the bed up here. Now, we got to cut the hole for the tank here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is use this tape measure and actually go from the bolt holes and over to this and just kind of triangulate it between that one and there, and then we'll transfer it over to the bed. Alright guys, there it is with the bed on there. There's the big dent. I kind of dig it. I like how it's kind of beat up. There's our hole. We was a little off. That's fine. I ain't too worried about it. Actually, just need to widen it out and straighten it up. Or get my hand in there. It did make a difference. That thing is longer now, so I could screw it in and get some more threads. So we'll just leave the bed on here long enough to get the drive shaft back in and get it tuned, and then we'll probably take the bed back off so it can work on underneath of it. Alright guys, I was gonna bolt this thing down, but I think I'm gonna wait until I get my pinion for the rear end, because it's probably going to be easier to put that thing on with the bed off. So we'll probably just slide this off real quick and get the pinion on when I get the pinion, and then we'll bolt the bed down and measure the drive shaft and all that good stuff. But I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see ya.